Welcome to your escape. Your adventure is about to begin. You have 60 minutes to escape the room. You will be surrounded by clues, codes, and puzzles. Your team must investigate the room and explore its secrets. Ultimately, you must find the solution. You will need to communicate well with each other. Perhaps take notes. Think outside the box, but try not to overthink. This is a mind game, not a physical game. If something is firmly attached or screwed to the wall, it should stay there. If something is easily removed, you are welcome to examine and explore. If you use something in the room to solve a puzzle, you may then set it aside. Everything is designed to be used only once. You are not actually locked in the room. You may leave the room at any time if nature calls or you feel uncomfortable in any way. Good luck! Have fun!
Stumbled into the lair of the evil genie, Asmodeus. Asmodeus has put a curse on your family and trapped you within his land. 1,001 stories and only 10 hold the key to your freedom. Can you solve the riddles and puzzles contained within the lamp and break the curse in time?
Your group is enjoying some R&R, island hopping on a private sailboat. On this evening, a Mayday message is heard over the radio.
This just in. The ambassador's granddaughter has been kidnapped. Sources say she's being held on Voodoo Island, 12 nautical miles off the coast of Haiti. Little is known of her captors, and mystery surrounds details of their rituals. However, one scholar has theorized that a sacrifice may be involved under a full moon at midnight. It is feared the ambassador's granddaughter is the chosen one. The ambassador has put a reward of $10 million for the safe return of his beloved granddaughter. There will no doubt be dangers and obstacles to her recovery, so rescuers must be extremely careful.
Your group realizes you are sailing very near Voodoo Island. While you acknowledge that the mission is fraught with danger, you decide to save the ambassador's granddaughter and collect the $10 million reward. You arrive at the island at 11 p.m. You have 60 minutes to find and save the little girl.